I heard that Karnataka government and IT companies, some of the IT companies are trying to increase the working hours from 10 to 14 hours. Currently, it is 10 hours. Some of the companies are making it at 8 hour or 9 hour as a standard. But as a rule, it is come as a 14 hours. Then it will be a extreme, horrible situation for any employees in IT because of the terrible work culture that we have here. So we have to sit around 8 to 9 hours continuously in front of the systems. So we get eye dryness, eyesight issues, and the mental harassment issues and all. We won't be able to give any time to our personal life or families. So by the time, like if it increase by 14 hours, then we have to forget who are our families, where they are sitting, and we came all the way by leaving our homes. Back then, I actually came from North Karnataka, so I have traveled around 350 kilometers from there and working here just to earn basic bread and butter. Now whatever we are earned and whatever we are earning, I don't know will we able to spend now or not. Like say we have to work for around 30, 40 years or 50 years, then we have to wait for to spend that amount of time, 50 years to what like leave whatever we have earned. So by having this kind of 10 to from 10 to 14 hours, it will be too much pressure for any employees. It will be too much issues that they are going to create. Not only the eyesight, like a lot of health issues. Say now, by this hybrid world culture, employees are started having a lot of issues with the food culture and all. Now, if I'm leaving the office by early, then I have to go and work from home also. Like I have to send a mail, I have to call up, I have to follow up. Because of all these issues, hybrid cultures and work from home culture, we have lost our social balance. So going forward, that also will create a lot of issues in a personal health. But just because of earning some extra hours, it's not going to add up any productivity for sure. But just to capture or just to get eyesight on the multiple companies, IT companies are or government is trying to do this one. This is not fair for any employees. This can say open day robbery, or it's not the right word I can say robbery. But yeah, this is not a good I can say overall. That's my point of view.